Hey, welcome to my crafty space. I'm Jess. I'm a creative entrepreneur. I have worked for a long time in the card making industry now, and I'm branching out into other aspects of creative whatever. I primarily have been a card maker on YouTube, and I did a lot of card making tutorials. So there's still some of that on my channel now, as well as videos about my own creative journey, including becoming an illustrator. I have started designing my own stamp sets, and I have branched out into creating my own art content for my own e-commerce shops. I have an Etsy shop and my own website, lovejess.co, which I am in the process of building, and I'm taking you on that creative journey with me. I am doing stickers, like stationery type things. I may even be branching out and launching my own stamps and stickers and things like that for the bullet journal community. I have really fallen in love with bullet journaling, and I feel like I could apply some of my expertise in the craft industry to kind of make that happen and bring a fresh perspective to bullet journaling in the planner community. So we'll see what happens. I enjoy card making, I enjoy scrapbooking, I enjoy creating wreaths and just about any craft you could imagine. I love using my Cricut to create iron-on things and personalize content for my kids or our house or the craft room. I love getting organized and creating a space that inspires me to create. So I do share some organization videos on my channel as well. Just a number of things, like a wide variety of topics, and I hope that you find something that you love here. I am always open to new ideas as well, so if there's something you'd like to see on the channel, don't hesitate to drop me a comment on a video and let me know what it is you're wanting to see. There may be something that I'm hoping to make a video on that you want to see as well. So if you're ever looking for more information or you have questions, always drop me a comment. We can chat and get to know each other a little bit better. One of the really cool things about this platform is that it has allowed me to make friends with other people who are in similar situations, who are also creative entrepreneurs, who are also card making lovers or scrapbook lovers, all sorts of different people from all over the world who are interested in the same things. And I think honestly that's the best thing about the internet. I'm really excited about all of the relationships and friendships that I've made over the last few years, and I can't wait to get to know you all a little bit better as well. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I hope that you find something that you love here, and I hope that we are able to connect and become great friends. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in another video really soon.